You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So here is the dough right after I made it. Flour, it's King Arthur 00 flour. I have 120 grams. Salt, I have fine sea salt, 3 grams. Honey, I didn't have any sugar, so I used honey, 3 grams. Yeast, I only used a 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Water, I used 72 grams of purified drinking water. It has just been balled up, as you see it here. Alright, so there it is. I'm going to place it in the oven. Turn on the light. Just got a bug fly up in my nose. Okay, there. This oven is hot. Perfect launch. Am I going to get my mojo back here on this pizza of the week? We will soon find out. Right here, right now. Looking good. Looking really good, actually. I'm just going to take a peek. Very nice. Thank you very much. Much obliged. Yeah, getting some good color on there. You probably can't see that through that dirty window. Now, no need to rush, Detmers. Shall I spin it around? I really think I need to. Let's see. Yeah, nice. This mess is still here. I'll get it cleaned up eventually. I've been busy, I'm telling you. But yeah, this pizza oven is a great oven. Will prep, much like the VEVOR oven. I liked it better. Well, I like this better, I should say, more than VEVOR, because I think it gets hotter. And that is key to making a great pizza, depending on the style you make. 00 flour here, looking good. Let's take a look at the bottom. Yeah, looking good. Looking perfect. very nice. Am I going to get perfection as a champion? We will see. We will see. Here's my settings. This one says 475. That's the bottom one. Top one, 575. I'm going to take it out. Actually, we'll get a little heat on the top. Yeah. Yeah, looking pretty good. Very good. Perfection. Well, I wouldn't say perfection, but I think I'm out of the rut. Oof. And we'll give her an unplug. Yeah, that pizza's looking good. Now, as long as I get it in the house without dropping it, we're in great shape. I'm gonna get a pizza pan. Let's take it in. Now I still need to clean up this mess, but that's not a problem. As long as this is good. Yeah, let's put a little Parmesan, shaker cheese. Little lady's making noise with her phone. She's like a teenager now. She's been looking at her phone a lot lately. Okay, looks good. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. I didn't put any seasoning on this or anything. Just cheese, pepperoni sauce, and Parmesan cheese. Okay, here we go. There's the bottom. Let me take a look. Heck yeah. Here's the top. Heck yeah. And here we go.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
That is fantastic. If I have to knock one thing, it's that great value pizza sauce. I really do miss Meyer on that matter. But this pizza's gonna go down just fine.